Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin reacts to economic news? Well, let me tell you a tale of intrigue where the king of cryptocurrencies meets the consumer price index. Once upon a time, in the bustling world of finance, Bitcoin found itself poised for greatness. As the sun rose on May 15th, Bitcoin broke past the formidable barrier of $64,000. But what could have caused such a surge? Enter the stage the United States Consumer Price Index, which reported lower than expected readings. And data from our trusted sources revealed that Bitcoin reached local peaks of $64,700 following the Wall Street opening bell. This delightful surprise for Bitcoin enthusiasts was due to the CPI report showing month-on-month growth of just 0.3%, significantly less than anticipated. With this encouraging sign, both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ composite indexes touched record highs. And it's right now that of this citizen training process, a dot in comments, a discipline, a city core inflation, and maybe really porch against revenue shared the same sentiment. And when the Kobisi showed the Kobisi letter, the cautioned against getting carried away. Forced Naval says, pointing out that the previous day's producer price index numbers indicated a continuous rise. And we report Delocte to the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve, struck a neutral tone during his public address. And despite the mixed signals, market speculation for immediate rate cuts remained unchanged. Only 3.1% of investors betted on a June reduction, while 28.3% held their cards for July. And now shifting our attention back to Bitcoin. The scene on exchange order books underwent significant changes after the CPI announcement. According to CoinGlass, Bitcoin devoured available liquidity, forming a fresh block above the resistance zone around $65,000. And this popular trader skew weighed in on the situation, emphasizing the importance of holding strong above the 200-period exponential moving average on 4-hour charts, currently sitting pretty at $63,195, and pushing forward. Dear Bitcoin holders, ideally, they believe that Bitcoin should take charge and regain control above the $65,000 mark for increased investor confidence. And now, for a little humor to lighten the mood, did you hear about the economist who lost his job because he couldn't make the inflation numbers add up? He was canned for being unable to balance the equation. With that said, thank you for joining me on this thrilling journey through the intersection of economics and crypto. Until next time,